Hello fellow explorers, I'm your guide Jibon, welcoming you to another exciting episode on our channel, Discover the World Together. Today, we're setting our sights on the breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture of a country that's as diverse as it is beautiful. A country that's nestled between the Andes and the Pacific, Chile. Steeped in a rich history that encompasses ancient civilizations, colonial influences, and a resilient spirit of independence, Chile is a treasure trove of stories waiting to be unfolded. From the dizzying heights of its mountain ranges to the sprawling vineyards, from the bustling city life to the quiet indigenous communities, Chile is an eclectic mix that promises a unique adventure at every turn. And let's not forget the vibrant culture, a heady mix of music, dance, art, and gastronomy that reflects the indomitable spirit of its people. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey through Chile. Our first stop is Santiago, the bustling capital of Chile. An intriguing blend of old and new, Santiago tells a tale of time, each chapter as compelling as the last. The city's history is etched in every corner, from its modern skyscrapers reaching for the sky to the colonial-era buildings that stand as silent witnesses of the past. Santiago is a city where history and modernity are not just side by side, but intertwined in an elegant dance. The city's history is as rich as the soil of the central valley it resides in. Founded by Spanish conquistador Pedro de Valdivia in the 16th century, Santiago has grown from a small settlement to a vibrant metropolis. Despite earthquakes, political upheavals, and the passage of time, Santiago has not only survived but thrived, each challenge adding another layer to its complex character. Santiago's modern architecture is a testament to its resilience and ambition. Skyscrapers like the Gran Torre Santiago, the tallest building in Latin America, are symbols of the city's progress. Yet amidst this urban jungle of glass and steel, a piece of Santiago's past lives on. The city's colonial-era buildings, like the majestic Metropolitan Cathedral, offer a stark contrast, their ornate facades and grandeur a reminder of a bygone era. But Santiago's allure goes beyond its buildings. The city is a vibrant canvas for the arts. Streets adorned with colorful murals, art galleries showcasing local and international talent, and theaters staging avant-garde productions. Santiago's art scene is as diverse and dynamic as the city itself. One of the most fascinating aspects of Santiago is its geography. The city is nestled in a valley, flanked by the Andes on one side and the coastal range on the other. This unique location adds to Santiago's charm, offering breathtaking views of snow-capped mountains and lush vineyards. From its towering skyscrapers to its historical monuments, Santiago truly captures the spirit of Chile. Next, we journey to Valparaíso, a city thriving with art and culture. Nestled between the Pacific Ocean and a maze of rolling hills and cliffs, Valparaíso is a vibrant tapestry that blends the natural and the man-made in a stunning spectacle. Its unique geography makes it a city like no other. Imagine a labyrinth of narrow winding streets, rising and falling along the hills, spilling down into the ocean. The city is a living canvas, with houses painted in every color of the rainbow, stacked one atop another, creating a kaleidoscope of colors that dazzle the eye. The city's charm doesn't stop at its colorful houses. Valparaíso is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a recognition that speaks volumes about its cultural and historical significance. It's a city that has a story etched into every cobblestone, a history that's as vibrant and varied as its cityscape. One can't talk about Valparaíso without mentioning its iconic funiculars. These cable cars, some over a century old, are an integral part of the city's identity. They chug along the steep hills, providing a unique mode of transport and an unbeatable view of the city and the ocean beyond. There are 15 of these funiculars in operation today, each with its own charm and character. And then there's the street art. Valparaíso's walls are a riot of colors and creativity. Every corner you turn, every alley you wander into, you'll find murals that surprise and inspire. This city wears its art on its sleeve, and the result is a visual feast that's as captivating as it is diverse. Valparaíso is more than just a city. It's a celebration of life, a testament to the human spirit's resilience and creativity. It's a place where every street is a gallery, every house a canvas, every hill a stage. It's a city that refuses to be ordinary, a city that thrives on its uniqueness, its energy, and its artistic soul. With its artistic soul and picturesque landscapes, Valparaíso is a city that enchants every visitor. We now venture into the Atacama Desert, the driest desert in the world. This is not an overstatement, as the Atacama Desert outdoes even the Sahara when it comes to aridity. It is a place where rain is a stranger, and the land has learned to thrive without it. The flora and fauna here have adapted to this extreme environment in remarkable ways. The Lareta plant, for instance, looks like a green rock, but is actually a dense mass of thousands of tiny buds, each one designed to conserve as much water as possible. And then there are the desert's resilient inhabitants, such as the vicuna, a relative of the llama, and the vizcacha, a rabbit-like rodent, both uniquely adapted to this harsh landscape. But it's not just the wildlife that makes the Atacama feel like an alien planet. The landscape itself is a spectacle to behold. Vast expanses of salt flats stretch out, glittering under the sun's rays, resembling a snowy wonderland despite the scorching heat. Towering geysers like the ones at El Tatio spurt out boiling water and steam, a stark reminder of the Earth's fiery core beneath our feet. Speaking of age, the Atacama Desert is believed to be one of the oldest deserts on Earth, with some estimates dating back to over 10 million years. Its salt flats are a testament to ancient lakes that once covered this land. Today, these crystallized stretches are not just visually stunning, but also rich in lithium, making Chile one of the world's top lithium producers. When night falls over the Atacama, the desert reveals another facet of its beauty. The clear, unpolluted skies make it an astronomer's paradise. The stars appear so close and so numerous, it's as if you could reach out and pluck them from the sky. In the midst of its harsh conditions, the Atacama Desert holds an otherworldly beauty that leaves everyone spellbound. This Martian landscape on Earth is a testament to nature's ability to adapt, survive, and even thrive in the most challenging of environments. A visit here is a journey into the extraordinary, a glimpse into the resilience of life itself. Finally, we arrive at Patagonia, often referred to as the end of the world. This remote region, shared by Chile and Argentina, is a realm where nature reigns supreme and humans are merely visitors. Patagonia is a land of extremes, a place of stark contrasts. Its landscapes are breathtaking, with towering mountains, vast plains, and deep fjords. The region is home to some of the world's most spectacular glaciers, a testament to the power of the Earth's natural forces. Among them is the southern Patagonian icefield, the world's third largest reserve of fresh water. The icefield is a stark, beautiful wilderness, a world of ice and snow that stretches as far as the eye can see. But Patagonia is not just ice and snow. The region is also home to a diverse array of wildlife. From the agile guanacos, relatives of the llama that roam the plains, to the Andean condors that soar in the skies, Patagonia is a wildlife enthusiast's dream. Here you might even catch a glimpse of the elusive puma, the region's top predator. One of the highlights of Patagonia is undoubtedly the Torres del Paine National Park. This protected area is a treasure trove of natural beauty, with its iconic granite towers, azure lakes, and verdant forests. The park is a paradise for hikers, with trails that offer stunning views of the surrounding landscapes. But Torres del Paine is not just about its physical beauty. The park is also a place of cultural significance. The name Torres del Paine comes from the indigenous Tehuelche language and translates to Towers of Blue. The park is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region's indigenous people who have lived in harmony with the land for centuries. Patagonia, with its unspoiled beauty and majestic wilderness, is a fitting end to our journey through Chile. This end of the world is a place that reminds us of the power and beauty of our planet, a place where we can truly connect with nature and experience the wonder of the world around us. Well, explorers, our journey through Chile comes to an end here. We've traversed the vibrant city streets of Santiago, where the pulse of modern Chile beats. We've wandered through the colorful bohemian lanes of Valparaíso, a city that's a living, breathing work of art. We've journeyed into the otherworldly expanse of the Atacama Desert, a Martian landscape right here on Earth. And we've ventured to the wild edges of Patagonia, where the world seems to come to an abrupt, dramatic end. Each place has offered us a unique experience, a different facet of Chile's rich tapestry. Santiago with its thriving cultural scene, Valparaíso with its artistic charm, the Atacama with its stark, haunting beauty, and Patagonia with its raw, untamed wilderness. From its lively cities to its desolate deserts and dramatic landscapes, Chile is a country that has something for every explorer. Until our next adventure, this is Gbon signing off from Discover the World Together.